What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to show you the rest of that job we were working on the other day with the first stage of in the auto refinishing. So now we're on stage 2. We sanded it, we got it taped, and I'm going to show you the job, guys. So stay tuned, let's check it out. So here it is, we got it all sanded down. We blocked it with a 320 long block, and we went over it with 400 and then 600, and now we got it back taped. But that white primer is the way to go. Now I don't need as much paint to actually paint this car. So we got it all back taped. We're doing the whole uniside like I told you guys I like to do. We're going all the way underneath. And that's just the next stage. So we got it all scuffed out. It's cut in on the inside. All the welds have been treated. It's taped up, blocked out, and final sanded. And I'll show you the door and the other door. This is the blend with the little repair we had there. And that's the used door. We primed it complete too, so it's all white. It had some body work on it, guys. So that's the job, the 2 parts and this side with the gas lid door we got to prep. So I'll show it to you in the booth and we'll show it to you sprayed, guys. And I want to show you something funny. Look at this, they put blend on this. Any guys out there that can blend that little gas lid door, it's quite comical, ain't it? You know, so that's how they do us, guys. But who knows, we still keep rolling, and I'll show you this one in the booth. All right, guys, so the car's in the booth, and now we run the bag over the top of it. Put the plastic over the car, and now we got to cut it out. So we got the car in here, we got it all sanded, and we're taping up the door for the blend. The used doors in here on the stands. We use the innovative tool stands. And now we're gonna go ahead and get this thing ready to shoot, guys. So I'll show you this on a time lapse, how I get it taped up, finish this thing up all the way. So stay tuned. And this is what we use to wipe it down. This is our surface cleaner, our solvent. And this is our water base. So I do the solvent, then I do the water to cut down on the static. I use the water last, and it grounds out the car with that water, less static. So that's how I do it. So it's 2 washes. And everything's wiped down now. I just got to tack it. It's all wiped down and ready to roll, guys. So there's my blend. I got to blend this side, so I got it going that way towards the filters there, because this booth is a semi down, so it pulls that way. So you want to put your color towards the back. So we got it all in here and ready to go, guys. Next thing I'm going to do is shoot it, and I got to do a little rock guard on it. So hang tight. And that's the rock guard gun, guys. I got to do the rock guard on the rocker of this one. So hang tight and watch me lay that out and put that on next. So guys, that's the job second after what you had seen in the last video, guys. That's the next stage of getting it sanded out, prepped out, cleaned in the booth, tacked, and chip guarded. So thanks for watching the video, guys. You know the rest of what goes on. You've seen enough of my videos, so check out the other videos if you want to see the spraying part. But I'm going to leave you at this. So thanks for watching, guys, and I got to get up in there now and mix the sealer up and spray it and base and clear it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell, guys. So guys, you knew I had to show you the finished product, so check it out. It came out beautiful, this job. Can't see anything where we sectioned it. Clean, nice. Rock guard all done. So wanted to show you the job all said and done, guys. So I hope you liked the video. I didn't show you me spraying it, but I was just kidding you. I wasn't going to show it till you're done. So hope you guys liked how it came out. And stay tuned till next time, guys.